With our traditional frames, we have what we call a tacking rail, which it sits between the inside back and the seat, and also the inside arms and the seat. Everything to do with the seat gets tacked down, everything to do with the inside back or arms gets tacked up. So you leave this space here for future fabrics. With your wings and arms, you sometimes don't have the luxury of a tacking rail. Everything to do with the inside back must be tacked onto this frame here. But if you brought your inside wing or arm materials and tacked in the same place, you would close the gap off so that you wouldn't be able to get anything else through. So we'd put a vertical web tight on the inside of the frame for your wing and arm fabrics to tuck around. You stitch this in place with your curved slipping needle and your thread, and you've left a lovely gap there.